In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize dimension text in AutoCAD using Dimension Style Manager. We will adjust the text size for all dimensions that share a specific style, so you don't have to edit each dimension individually. This is especially helpful when your dimensions look too small on plots or overwhelm your drawing at certain scales. Start by bringing your attention to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Type Dim Style and press Enter. This opens the Dimension Style Manager, which is the central place where you control how your dimensions look and behave across your drawing. In the list of styles, select the dimension style you want to change. It's important to pick the same style your existing dimensions are using, because a style is like a template. When you modify it, all dimensions assigned to it will update automatically. With the correct style highlighted, click Modify to open its settings. In the Modify Dimension Style dialog, go to the Text tab. Everything here affects the text portion of your dimensions. Look for the field labeled Text Height. This number is in your drawing units, which means it relates directly to how big the text will appear relative to your geometry. For example, if your drawing units are millimeters, a text height of 2 will be 2 millimeters in model space. If your units are inches, it will be 2 inches in model space. If you are not sure what value to use, note the current number so you can revert if needed, then try a modest change and refine later. Enter your desired text height, aim for a value that's readable at your intended plot scale while keeping your drawing clean. Many teams target a plotted text height in the 2 to 3.5 mm range. But always follow your project or office standards. The key is consistency across all dimensions. When you are satisfied, click OK to apply the change and return to the Dimension Style Manager. Next, click Set Current, so any new dimensions you create will use this updated style by default. Finally, click Close. You will see that all existing dimensions that use this style now display the new text height immediately, saving you the time of editing each one. If some dimensions didn't change, they may be assigned to a different style or have overrides applied. Checking their properties can help confirm that. Otherwise, you are all set. Thanks for watching.